check out our newest feature release, Slim Panel, within the Conversations area. So if you're curious what is this new Slim Panel within Conversations, well, I'm going to share that with you. This Slim Panel on the right side of the screen provides an intuitive navigation and consolidated access to contact details, appointments, and opportunities. Why this matters and how it's going to help you. This new Slim Panel offers a seamless switch between contact, appointments, and opportunity views. Users can easily add, edit, and manage contact details, book and manage appointments. The design streamlines interactions and makes it so that you are having a more intuitive experience. This is a pretty easy feature to access. You're going to go into your Conversations tab on the left-hand navigation, and you're going to click on Conversations in the upper horizontal navigation bar. While you're in Conversations, you are now going to see this Slim Panel on the upper right side of your screen. You're going to see 3 simple icons that you're going to be able to click on to open up. When you click on the contact icon, you're going to see all of the details for the contact. When you click on the appointment icon tab, you're going to see all of your appointments as well as have the ability to book an appointment directly through this area. On the Opportunities icon tab, you'll be able to access all of your opportunities as well as add this contact into any opportunity. If you have any questions at all, let us know. We hope you enjoy this, and I think you will.